all go to Lansingburg High School. I'm just interested in science. Basic human rights.
I also like science, and I'm really happy to be here and learn more about what we're going to be doing. And I'm here because I'm interested in marine biology and making a difference anywhere.
So I'm John, and as of the 1st of October, in about a week, I will have been on this boat 20 years.
Wow.
Would you say you spend more time on the boat than at your house?
About even. So here's the deal. You guys, what I'm doing today, you guys are going to be taking over next year. I put my sticker on, that's the station. Then I put S, which is when the sample was collected. You know, I have an office here, I have an autopilot, I have navigation equipment. This is a sealer. You'll have the same tool. You're trying to measure a bacteria that EPA has studied and designated as a fecal indicating bacteria. The one you're measuring is a surrogate for all the bad stuff. So you put your 100 mils in here, and you put this reagent, and the reagent is a food, essentially, for Enterococcus, which is the bug we want to grow if it's there. So they did epidemiological studies and said, okay, above a certain threshold, we think people are going to get sick. So 60 Enterococcus per 100 milliliters. I think at 60, the EPA thinks that 30 out of 1,000 people will get ill. Blank was less than 1. 3 and 24 was 36. 3 and 15 was 21. And even our highest was 58. So all of these passed federal water quality criteria. If the bar is 60 and you're measuring to 2,400, you don't really have to measure much higher, do you? I mean, you know, that means it's really bad. We commonly have that here. But usually water quality gets worse when it rains. Here, it's worse when it doesn't rain. The reason it's worse in dry weather is there must be a continuous discharge of sewage from some old pipe.
And so in that reagent is probably a complicated mixture of a lot of different stuff, and they won't tell anybody what it is.
There seems to be a lack of justice around it, science
Yeah.
justice. So why do rich people who get to hire scientists to make it, why should they be in control?
Yeah. Well, I think this certification is
ELAP.
it's for the government to acknowledge the data quality.
If you're not certified to a certain level, the state will just ignore your data. That's convenient for them because that denies the public power. When you guys start up, I want to find a certified lab that the state will accept the results. With the bacteria that the state accept, then I'm going to ask Riverkeeper to try to do some kind of an enforcement. We have our data, but because it's not certified lab data, we're not quite there. But I really want to try to do something like that here.